Hi, it's Shandy Outry. Great things are happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. No kneading, no rising. Irish soda bread is just a no-brainer and as delicious as bread can be. And these are the ingredients that make the magic. In a bowl, add 2 3/4 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now give it a good stir to combine. Then chill 1/4 cup of butter and cut into small cubes. Then cut it into the dry ingredients until the mixture is crumbly. Next, combine 2 cups of buttermilk with 1 egg and blend. Reserve 2 tablespoons to brush on the loaf, then pour the remainder into the dry ingredients. Now soak a cup of raisins in hot water for about 20 minutes, drain, and add the raisins to the dough and mix to combine. When the dough begins to come together, dust your cutting board with flour and form the dough into a round loaf. A cast iron skillet makes a beautiful crust, so that's what I'm using. Butter the skillet, add the round, and with the reserved buttermilk and egg mixture, brush it right over the top of the loaf. Now score the dough in the traditional Irish soda bread cross about 4 inches long. And finally, sprinkle with some decorative sugar. Then bake at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes or until golden brown, just like this. Let it cool for about 10 minutes and then slice it up, slather with butter and jam, and enjoy your soda bread along with this Irish proverb: laughter is brightest where food is best. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.